And so I'm a OPPO Reno, and today I will show you how to insert a SIM card. And you will actually need a couple of things: the SIM card itself and some kind of pin eject tool, as I have right now. It should come with your device normally, and like a booklet should be pinned somewhere in there. But if you don't have one, you can always use a paper clip, or like for instance I have one right here. It's bent out of shape a bit, but as you can see it will still work if you wish to use it it fits in there. So once you have that, you can pop out the tray, which is located right above the volume buttons. I have a tiny little hole. You just want to push it in there, and as you can see the tray pops out. So now I can just yank it out of there, and it takes two SIM cards, and they go with the little cutout on the bottom right corner, like so. So you want to put them in, make sure that they are flush, and once you have that ready, you can slide it back in here. Just make sure that the cards don't like get out of the tray and do something like this, where you're trying to put it in, they're gonna kind of jam in there in this case. So make sure they're flush all the way when you're sliding them back in there, and push it all the way in, and you should see now. Right now the SIM card requires a pin, or is it done? And both of them, as you can see, both of them are being read. Now there is no place for a memory card, so only these two SIMs, and that's basically how you put them in. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.